Kalispell was crowned the #1 fastest growing micropolitan city in the U.S. in 2022, with Flathead County ranking in the top 10% of growth nationwide over 25 years. Development continues to surge, offering unparalleled opportunities for investors and dreamers alike. Imagine owning a piece of paradise just minutes from the action, a waterfront property on the stunning Foys Lake. I'm Ryan Norris with Hidden Homes Montana and Keller Williams, here to introduce you to 458 North Foys Lake Drive, an exceptional 1.17 acre lot with over 225 feet of pristine shoreline. Nestled on the turquoise waters of Foys Lake, this property offers the perfect canvas to build your dream home. An existing trailer sits on site, ripe for restoration or ready to make way for a new vision. Utilities and lake water rights are already in place to jumpstart your plans. Foys Lake, at 3,300 feet elevation and spanning 240 acres, is famed for its white sandy bottom and vibrant hues. Surrounded by private land, it offers tranquility, yet public access on the southeast side ensures recreation for all. Whether you're water skiing, tubing, fishing for Kokanee and Arctic Grayling, or ice fishing in the winter, this lake is your year-round haven. Positioned in the heart of northwest Montana, no other lake combines centrality and access to the treasures of the Flathead Valley quite like Foys. To learn more or schedule a showing, contact me, Ryan Norris, or my listing partner, Baumgarten. Alternatively, you can always reach out to your own trusted realtor. Thank you for letting me show you what it feels like to be finally home.